how to customize Zoom waiting room. Okay, first open the Zoom meeting. As you can see, I already logged in with my Zoom account. Okay, next, look for the setting. Click this one, then view more settings. Click this one. Okay, just close this window and minimize this one. Okay, now let's log in with our Zoom account. 1206, press enter. Okay, here. You should be in the settings and meeting. As you can see here, the first item was waiting room. Okay? Now, this should be activated. You should activate this one. So click this one. Okay, as you can see, your settings have been updated. Okay, now look for customize waiting room. Okay, click this one. This is the default of the Zoom in the waiting room. Okay, so we're going to change this one. Click this one. We're going to modify it. Copy and paste. Click check. Okay, now next, we're going to add logo. Okay, click this one. And then let's going to use this smiley as our logo. Just click this one and open. As you can see here, there is a requirement in our logo. The size maximum of 1 MB and 400 pixels. So we should reduce the size of our logo. Okay, now let's go to our logo. This one, smiley. There are so many ways to reduce the size of our logo of the image. We can use the Photoshop, or as for me, I'm going to use the Paint to make it faster. Okay, now see, our logo is 450 pixels, but the zoom only requires 400 maximum, so we need to reduce it. Okay, now click resize and then click the pixels. So we're going to put here 400. Now click OK, and then save it and close. Okay, now let's going to add again the logo. Double click. Okay, see, we successfully add our logo. Okay, now let's go to the waiting room description. Just click this one and let's going to add our waiting room description. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, for now I'm going to use this one as our description, classroom rules. Okay, and click check if you already finalized your description. So your settings have been updated. Anyone that will join your Zoom meeting, they will see this in the waiting room. Okay, let's click close. Okay, now let's go to our Zoom to test if we see that item in the waiting room. Let's just minimize this window, minimize this one. Let's go to our Zoom and open new meeting. Okay, so this is it. Now we're going to enable the waiting room. Okay, click this icon and then see enable waiting room. Now we're going to use another Zoom to join this conference. Okay, I have here another Zoom apps. By the way, if you don't know how to open dual Zoom in one computer, just refer to the link tutorial below on how to open the dual Zoom in one computer. Okay, now let's check the meeting ID and let's join. Okay, 814-6578-0955. Join. And the password 086666. Join meeting. This is now our new waiting room. We have the logo and we have the welcome note and our classroom rules. Okay, you can see here that the visitor, this one, is in the waiting room. Okay, and just click admit. Okay, there it is. If you learned something, don't forget to please click like and subscribe. Thank you very much.